somewhere.
Anybody watch it?
Hello. Good morning, everyone. Happy Saturday. I'm Megan Mays, and this is Being Civil in Minnesota. I come here every Saturday at 10 to talk about family law issues in the court in the state of Minnesota. Today, I am coming live from Hayward, Wisconsin. Last night, my husband and I went out to a great fish fry at the Landing. Denny does a great job. It was one of the best fish fries we've had. So that was fun to come up here and get to do that. We are 1 year into Being Civil in Minnesota, and I am just thrilled about the community that we've created and the excitement that I get being able to provide this legal information and resources has been a lot of fun for me. Want to talk a little bit now that we've been doing this for about a year together. What have we learned? One of the things that I think we've learned over the last year is that the court is not the only option, and it is not always the best option for every family. Mediation is certainly a good tool for individuals who want to keep their own decision-making power and to have a lot more control over the timing and the information that is disclosed. It can be very helpful for people to keep some information not accessible in the court system. I think we've learned that every family is different, but there are common themes that transcend socioeconomic status, race, religion, things like fear, experiencing safety concerns, pride, control, abuse, love. It's a very human job, I feel, being a lawyer and getting to represent families. You talk a lot about the cycles of poverty, cycles of abuse, cycles of unhealthy relationships. This is what we can do to help on a actionable level families who are experiencing these things. And so there are systemic issues that I would love to address, but on a day-to-day basis, this can make a really huge impact in the life of a family and their extended family. That this job is about people, right? And we are all imperfect humans. I'm not a psychologist or a mental health professional, so this does not constitute therapy. It certainly doesn't constitute legal advice. But most people are trying to do their best, and sometimes their best is not great, but they're imperfect humans and they're actually trying. But yeah, there are people out there who are experiencing really unhealthy situations. Last week, we talked about leaving an abusive relationship, and that episode got 2,000 views. And I keep thinking about, well, what was so different about that? And I think it's the fact that abuse does impact everybody. 1 out of 4 women, and approximately that for men too. It's not gender specific. And so it reminded me how important this work is and how important a strong, educated community can be into supporting individuals who are experiencing safety concerns and abuse. I have moved now to YouTube, and so we're going to be doing YouTube Live. I will be sharing these videos still on my personal page and on the Facebook group Being Civil in Minnesota. I want to give a really huge shout out to the Being Civil in Minnesota community. We are 335 people strong, and that has been such a positive reinforcement to continue to do this. So keep the questions coming. If you or someone you know has a question about family law or the court process, you can post those anonymously on Being Civil in Minnesota. And if you have someone in your life that is experiencing co-parenting issues, experiencing issues working with the court system, please take a few minutes to share this resource. It's free to be a member of the group. So, and oftentimes when you're in a situation that is less than ideal, just being seen and knowing that other people are thinking about you can be really impactful. So just take a few minutes, send it to someone you love. And then the last update for what's coming next is episodes are going to be posted on the Being Civil in Minnesota YouTube page. So we now, or the channel, I'm learning. We now have 9 episodes. The first 9 episodes are uploaded. So please go check those out. And I will continue to upload videos. I think I'm at 35. So from Hayward, with gratitude and appreciation, thank you guys for taking the time this Saturday. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you guys next Saturday. Take care.